So basically yung click natin merong dalawang input, no? Battery 1 and battery 2. So pwedeng i-mix natin yung different size ng battery, different brand and different types. I mean different model. So dito may kanya-kanya sila communication. From yung battery 1 mo, i-connect mo lang yung communication ng battery 1 mo, then battery 2, ganun din. And then yung papunta namang inverter. So dito yung click natin is may sarili siyang processor to process all the information of battery BMS para dito sa inverter natin alam niya kung paano niya i-manage yung charging and discharging ng bawat battery. Yes, oo. Yun yung purpose ng ating click. Para ma-address natin yung problema na pag nag-install tayo ngayon after 1-2 years, kailangan natin mag-upgrade. Hindi na natin makita yung battery, different battery na yung available. So yun yung ina-address niya na pwede natin i-connect yung old and new batteries. At the same time, magkaibang capacity, magkaibang model. Yes. Any brand model. Dito sa click natin, meron tayong battery models, brands dito na pwede sa communication. So kung hindi, meron naman tayong generic, kung wala siya rito, meron tayong generic battery brand na pwedeng gamitin. So kailangan lang naman yun mag-communicate yung ating click and battery. So pwede siya kahit anong brands.